What's up, my super duper supporters? I hope everybody having a wonderful, wonderful day. Grand rising to you all. So right now I am on a mission to go get me a lobster. So hopefully I find my lobster. So I'm gonna take y'all with me for a little bit. Since I haven't seen y'all in a while, we've been so busy trying to get King's birthday together and stuff. We've been uploading videos. So this is a little short video right here that I'm doing with y'all, and I'm going to take y'all with me to go find this lobster. Hopefully we find a lobster, but I'm not going to Walmart. Sorry, Walmart, but y'all lobster and y'all crab and seafood, it's not giving what it's supposed to be giving. So I'm going to try, what is it? Albertsons. If Albertsons don't have one, then I'm going to try Vine. But I did look online, and it did say Albertsons had lobsters for $5.99 a pound. So we're about to go see. So stay tuned, y'all. So I made it to Albertsons, so let's go here and see what it's doing. Okay, I'm in Albertsons, but I had to come look at the fruit. Y'all know what? I should have got a basket. Let me go outside and get a basket, because I know how. I used to drink these, the detox drinks. This is pineapple and orange. Okay, that ain't what I came here for, y'all. I came for my lobster. So let me get my lobster. I also wanted some of this watermelon though. This is the one I had, but at the bottom part it looks soggy. Then it's sweet. When you see a lot of juice in your watermelon, that means it's sweet. So anytime y'all go on Albertsons, any store that got fruit, and they have like a lot of juice at the bottom, that means that it's sweet. Down here to the lobster. So we made it to the seafood, y'all. Now, I gotta look for my lobsters. That's what I love about Albertsons. They be having fresh meat everywhere. Here go the lobsters. Oh, they $5.99. They $7.99 now. That's cool right there. $7.99 now. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna get 2 of these bad boys. Then I'm gonna show y'all how I make them. Yes, I will share that with y'all. Show y'all how I make them. Not crab legs. But I just want a lobster, so I gotta wait for the baby to come. So let me go ring the bell. Ring the bell. This little bell right here, y'all. So we're gonna get 2 of them little suckers. Put some butter. Yeah, we're gonna hook it up. That salmon look good. It's fresh too. Oh, here goes somebody right now. Hello. Can I get 2 of the lobster tails? Thank you. You too. Ever been to this counter right here, y'all? I mean this shelf, my bad. And they be having like quick sales in here. It's called quick sales, reduced quick sales. They got a whole bunch of cake stuff in here. Oh, I'm in here digging at people's stuff, y'all. I'm just looking. I might find King of 7. You never know. I see 8. You never know. This is a lot of decoration stuff for your cakes. I already ordered king cake. It's pretty. Well, it's pretty. It's cute. It's nice. have a lot of different little things I wanted to show y'all that they be having on their little shelves. I never got nothing off these shelves, but I'm just looking. All right, y'all. No, y'all probably don't remember these, but these are bomb. If you haven't tried one, go try one. This is the blackberry. This is the strawberry summer. The Canadian dries. Canadian clearly. Canadian clearly. I can't even say it, but y'all know what it is. I want the one in the back, but I can't reach it. And the blackberry, it's okay. We're gonna try it today. But yeah, this is what my little basket looking like. You can see I found my lobster and I got 2. So anyway, I'm about to head back to the house. I'm in the car. I'm gonna head back to the house. I'm about to open them up, cut them up, clean them real good. Then I'm finna season them real good. I'm gonna let them marinate for an hour. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I cook them bad boys. So y'all stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe and like. What's up, y'all? I'm back at home and I got my lobster. So I'm getting ready to wash these lobsters off. I'm gonna show y'all how to bust it open, cut it open, and season real good so we let it marinate. So stay tuned, y'all. So I just got done cleaning my lobsters off. Now we're gonna open it from right here. Like that. The top part. Opened it up. Look at the little bottom. So we're gonna do this side like that. Do not cut yourself. Be careful. Okay. I'm gonna cut it open. Once it starts cooking, it opened up like that. So now we about to see. One more thing. When you open it up like this, make sure you clean that inside too. See all that black stuff? Okay, now I'm back. Don't mind the mess over there, okay? Don't look at that. So we're gonna take the little babies and put it inside this foil, like that. Can y'all see that? Let me bring it down. Okay, they inside the little foil like that. Like that. Okay. My counter is clean, y'all. Put that right there. And then what you're gonna get you some Old Bay seasoning. Just a little bit, because this stuff is spicy. I'm gonna tell you, this stuff is spicy. So I'm gonna use a little bit. And I got some garlic. Bam, get some garlic up in there. Got some onion. It's coming apart, but some onion powder. So that's how it look with the lemon in it, the butter, and all the seasoning. So you're gonna let it marinate for an hour in the refrigerator and come back, put in the oven. So they're about to cook for 15 minutes. What I did was just open them up, cut them and open them on up. They're in the oven right now cooking. So I'll come back about 15 minutes and check on it. All right, y'all, my lobster are done. I got the long grain wild rice, herb seasoned rice, bomb. And we got the lobster tails with the lemon. They cooked for 20 minutes. They came out good. Y'all see that? I did that. Yes, I did. That's it. Get a good look at it. I'm about to tear these up. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if y'all want to see more content. And I'll catch y'all on the back end. I'm out. Pay attention to that recipe right there. Y'all see that? And it smell good. And it tastes so good. Fire. Bye, y'all. Oh, y'all, I had to come back and show y'all. I had to take a bite for y'all. Okay? Just take one bite. Just trying to know how it tastes. One bite. It's juicy. And it's tender. And it's seasoned right. I did that. Y'all see that meat? All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to show y'all that. Take that first bite. Y'all see that juice coming off here like that? Bye.